Hi, I'm Linda, and I'm going to show you how to fix a torn pocket on this jacket. And we just want to sew that up. It's just a couple of inches long, and you probably heard the expression, a stitch in time saves 9. It's best to fix something like this when it's still small rather than wait until your whole pocket comes off. So I'm going to take a needle and thread, and I'm probably going to want to do what you call a running back stitch on this. Now this is torn in a place where the stitch isn't really going to show once the pocket is in place. So I don't really have to be too concerned about how it looks. I'm just going to do kind of a quick and easy job on this one. But first I'm going to put a couple of pins in here to hold it in place. And pin it from the reverse. And then we'll just turn this over. Put my needle in close to the edge and tuck the end of the knot underneath so you don't see that anymore. And then with the running back stitch, I'm going to come a little bit behind where the needle comes up and then come out a little bit forward of that spot. So each stitch starts a little bit behind the previous one and ends a little bit forward. And when you catch up to where the pins are, you can remove the pins so they don't get in your way. And then when I reach the top, I'm going to go through to the reverse side and make a knot on the reverse. And just take a small stitch, pull it through to make a loop, take the needle through the loop, and pull that tight. And then if you repeat that about 3 times, that should be enough to make a knot that won't come loose. And that's all you need to do to repair a torn seam on a pocket.